Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to excel on your laptop. We'll dive into mastering essential functions that streamline your data analysis. Discover powerful keyboard shortcuts that can boost your productivity by 25%, making your workflow much smoother. Learn to organize your data efficiently using tables and filters, ensuring clarity and easy access to information. Get ready to transform your spreadsheet skills and work smarter, not harder. Next, let's focus on efficient data handling. You'll learn how to input data quickly using smart features like autofill and flash fill, saving you valuable time. We'll also explore applying conditional formatting to automatically highlight key information, making your spreadsheets more readable at a glance. Plus, discover how to create custom number formats for clear and professional data presentation. These techniques will significantly improve your data management. Now, let's unlock the power of Excel's formulas and functions. We'll cover essential functions like SUM, average, and count for quick and accurate calculations. You'll also learn to use powerful lookup functions, such as VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP, to efficiently find specific data across multiple sheets. Furthermore, we'll explore building complex formulas with logical functions like IF and enabling sophisticated data analysis. Finally, let's explore how to visualize your data effectively. You'll learn to generate insightful charts and graphs, transforming raw numbers into compelling visual stories. We'll also cover creating dynamic pivot tables for powerful data summarization and analysis. And for a quick tip, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, perfect for upgrading your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.